Hello Meghalaya, especially to all fishermen. In this video, I would like to show you about the biggest fishing competition. Around the Khasi and Jaintia hills, organizers also request to all our friends from Garo Hills to please take part in this biggest fishing competition held on the 30th of August 2025 at Khwai and Gad, East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. This fishing pond's owned by Mita Pingro, near Smith Junction. This fishing competition organized by dohkha and Jess in collaboration with their friends. Fishing will allow all 5 fishing ponds. Entry fees for this competition is Rupee 1,500 only. Fishing will start at 9:30 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. So now let us have a look at these prizes. First prize will get a cash prize of 10 lakh. Second will get a cash prize of 4 lakh. And third will get a cash prize of 2 lakh rupees. Following each member from 4th position till 10th position will also get a cash prize worth 1 lakh rupees. Not only these cash prize are available, but organizers categorized 2 groups on behalf of consolation prizes. These are Consolation A, from 1st to 10th, will get a cash prize of 10,000 each. Consolation B, from 1st to 10th, will get a cash prize of 5,000 each. Fishermen can place their temporary stickers by stick, and you'll be getting only 1 hour to look after your position on the 29th of August 2025. Apart from fishing cash prize worth lakhs of rupees, organizers also organized lucky draw for audience who are not fishing but to take part on this event, which will enhance your wealth. So, in this lucky draw, you'll be getting a local taxi, Shillong registration. Those who win in 1st position, or you can take a cash prize worth 7 lakh rupees. This local taxi is well maintained and a 2020 models, with fully documented. Second lucky draw winner will get a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. Third still getting a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. Fourth gets a cash prize of 50,000. And fifth will also get a cash prize of 30,000 rupees. So let me tell you, the ticket will cost Rupee 300 per ticket and Rupee 500 for 2 tickets. A warning to all fishermen: once prizes are fully collected, there are no ways to create any violence, and fishing will be continued as it is. Violators will be punished as per fishing rules. All fishes are allowed to weigh except silver cap. Apart from fishes already have, organizer will stocking 1.5 tons on the 22nd of August 2025. Hope you'll be there for your lucky fortune and never miss such a huge amount. Lastly, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for my upcoming fishing videos and latest notification. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.